rate of change is the ratio of change in y to the change in x. On a linear graph, this is called the slope of a line. Slope is written as a ratio of the vertical change, which we call the rise, to the horizontal change, which we call the run, between any 2 points on a line. This remains constant for any 2 points on that same line. Remember, slope is written as a fraction in simplest form. And the variable that we use for slope is m. All right, let's get into the 4 types of slope here. This is a positive slope. This is a negative slope. This is a 0 slope. And this one is undefined. All right, finding slope on a graph, remember the variable that we use is m. And so if we're doing it, m equals rise divided by run. And there are 4 slopes here, and so I want you to pause this video and I want you to find the slope of each line. Make sure you write your answer in simplest form. Hopefully you can see there are 2 black dots on each line. So if you can't see, there's one right there, there's one right there. So go ahead, draw on your stair step if you need that to help you. This one is a positive slope, and I'm rising 7 and I'm running 4, and that's in simplest form. This one is a negative slope because my line is decreasing, and I'm going down 3 over 9, but I know that 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3, so that reduces to a negative 1/3. So make sure you reduce. This one I didn't rise anything, so I put 0, and I'm running 4 spaces. 0 divided by 4 gives me 0. This one I'm rising 5, I'm running 0. This is a vertical line, so I know that this is an undefined slope. So horizontal line, this is 0. Vertical is undefined. All right, let's get into the slope formula. The slope formula is used to find the slope between 2 points. So when we're given two ordered pairs, so we have an x1, y1, x2, y2. And so our formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And as always, it is extremely important to remember to simplify your answer. Always, always, always. So our directions here are to find the slope between each pair of points. Okay. If it helps you, make sure you label these or draw arrows. Do what you need to do. So x, y, x, y. This is my first point. This is my second point. Okay, or you could draw y goes to y and x goes to x. So this is 3 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3, and that's my final answer. Go ahead and box it in or circle it so it's easy for me to find, and that doesn't reduce or simplify, so you're going to leave it as that. Okay? Number 2, the same thing. Again, label them if it helps you. X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So y's are always in the numerator or on top. Negative 2 minus 4 gives us negative 6. 10 minus negative 2. The two negatives make a positive. This becomes 10 plus 2, and 10 plus 2 is 12. I have one negative, so I need to keep it negative. I know that 6 divided by 12 can reduce. 6 goes into itself once. 6 goes into 12 twice. So make sure you reduce to a negative 1/2. Okay, please go ahead and finish this worksheet, and then you're going to turn it in when you're done. So questions 3 through 10 are what I need you to finish, please and thank you.